Our world is blessed with a wealth of shorebird species, each incredible in their own way. What they share are a common need for safe places to meet their requirements for feeding, resting, and foraging. Many of these areas are in wetlands or associated with them. To restore wetlands for shorebirds, we must first identify these areas of importance and the global linkages among them, and then step in to protect and restore the wetlands by improving hydrology, water quality, and productivity. Protecting and restoring wetlands to maintain their ecological function and resiliency will provide predictable resources that are critical for shorebird populations now and into the future. Salt marshes provide so many critical functions for our coast. They clean and filter our water. They act as buffers against flooding and storms. They sequester carbon from the atmosphere and help to mitigate climate change and improve our air quality. They provide habitat for fish and wildlife, including shorebirds and their food web, and are places of great beauty to enjoy. To protect wetlands, we can reduce pollution. We can ease pressure for the development of wetland areas and practices that restrict tidal flow or the filling of wetlands. We can protect salt marshes from edge erosion with living shoreline projects and prevent marsh drowning through beneficial reuse of sediments. We can make and support choices that reduce carbon emissions and teach others about wetlands and their value, and make sure they know why wetlands are important and worth protecting everywhere. New Jersey has been a leader in wetlands protection for decades, with 125 miles of coastline and diverse wetlands across the state, from swamps to vernal pools to the tidal salt marshes we focus on here at the Wetlands Institute. In our local tidal salt marshes, known as the 7 Mile Island Innovation Lab, we are advancing beneficial use of dredge material practices to maintain sediments in these systems while providing habitat for shorebirds and other wildlife now and into the future. Learning how to successfully conduct these projects and monitoring the outcome is a priority for many in the state of New Jersey, including here at the Wetlands Institute. By increasing marsh elevation by just a few centimeters, we can increase protection of these marshes against sea level rise for decades.